The following model is of the Saab JAS 39 Gripen fighter jet. The model consists of live canards, flaps and ailerons, dual-stage turbine engine, Gatling cannon, air duct channels, canopy, radar array, tail rudder, as well as front and rear landing gear assembly. The wings are cut out specifically according to the profile of the original. There are indents in the wing that allow the flaps and ailerons to be perfectly housed in the wing such that they can rotate up or down while maintaining the aerofoil shape, thereby eliminating any blunt ends.